Hi everyone, welcome back. I have been getting a lot of requests to do an Eid shopping vlog. Now Ramadan is about to get over and the moment to celebrate is just on the way. Like how we get ready for the holy month, I believe we even need to get ready for the celebration of Eid. Not just Eid, any festival is a moment for celebration, whether Diwali, Christmas, Holi, Onam, New Year, and lots of festivals. All around the world has some or the other festival, whether regional or of religion. So let me take you for our shopping. I won't be showing everything what I shopped. Let some remain aside, we'll reveal on the day of Eid. But shall show some items that I purchase usually and many of you have been asking for. Along with this, shall show some of my collections too. Firstly, onto the dress section. I believe comfort is something that is very important while choosing the dress. How much ever beautiful it is or how well known the brand is, if your outfit isn't comfortable to wear, then it's of no use. I personally love to wear gowns, or I think it's also called maxi dress, I'm not sure. Floral prints are always a pretty look for vision. Now I get my dresses usually from Lulu, Max, Splash, Red Tag. Many had asked me from where I purchase my hijabs. I don't particularly go shopping for hijabs. Whenever I'm into a mall or any other shopping, I just take a round near the hijab section and if anything I really loved, I buy it at that moment because when I need one, I may not get. Now this is my hijab hanger, most of you might be familiar with. This was purchased from IKEA. There are many DIY videos to make similar ones at home. Let me show you how I hang my hijabs on this. Fold as shown. And then put onto the hanger. It looks a little cluttered this way, but when turned to the other side, it's easy to select. Final selection of my dress is done by my husband. He approves and I'm on it. Now, some of you had asked me my Abaya collection. I don't have a lot of abayas, just a few to count on fingers. Let me show you the one that I wear more oftenly. This was highly requested to show again. I had worn this in my day 3 Ramadan vlog. I bought this from Qatar before I got my Arman, so it's almost more than 5 to 6 years. I think it's from Souk Waqif in Qatar. I'm not sure if the souk name is right and I love this abaya, it's my favorite. These are the other ones that was purchased from Dubai through my dear friend Ashi. Now this is a simple abaya that I usually wear on a sudden go. On to the footwear. I used to love wearing heels before and used only wear heels. But now for the same reason, comfortable feet, I usually buy flats and less on the heels. But it's always lovely to see the collections displayed and love to see women wearing it. Lifestyle and home decor. This is a section where I love to spend most of my time on shopping. When my husband is onto the menswear, I keep kids with him and move towards this part. Even if I don't buy anything, I love to go around for seeing all the decor items displayed. From here, I get new ideas to decorate my home in new ways. Now, many of you had asked me about how I make my house smell good. The candles, the essential oils, from where I buy. I had bought 2 essential oils from India on last vacation and that's over now. From here, I buy from Centerpoint and Max mainly. Even IKEA and Lulu has got them. You get decorative candles, scented candles, non-scented, that comes as tea light candles. These are the tea light candles, non-scented and scented ones. Flameless candles are also available. The price of the candles come in various range depending on the size and the quality. I usually buy the smaller ones and add it to my old candle holders. I bought the red, pink and the white one. All 3 smell amazing. The candle holders are equally beautiful to look upon. That's a hanging one. Now about essential oils. There are different varieties, amazing smelling ones. You will have to spend a little extra time for choosing your best one. Here again, price depends on the quality. In here, you put the oil. Some diffusers. Now this is another one, some small pebbles in a pack with very good smell. These bags you can throw in your wardrobe, handbag, drawers. Now these are potpourris. Again another one to make your house smell good. Now that's my fruit bowl, just giving a change to it. Placing the candle holder. Putting in 1 tea candle. This is non-scented one. Just a small tip, I have been seeing this all over the internet. To light a candle that's deep inside, light a spaghetti and flame your candle. Now this is my old potpourri. I had bought quite a long time back, just a renovation for it. Adding some drops of essential oil to it. This is my diffuser. I add some water on top. There is already used in here, so just showing you. Now this is the oil that I bought from Centerpoint. Just adding few drops only now. You can add more if you're using first time. That's an empty candle holder. Lighting up a new one and placing inside. Now these are 2 balls I bought from IKEA. Did a small creation on it, though didn't come out as expected. Filling these with water. And just placing the tea lights on top. This is just for the sake of giving a good look. Now these are two candles that I had bought earlier from Lulu, lavender and rose. Two holders from IKEA. This is my kids' room and it was completely plain before, so recently bought these night shining stars and some cartoon stickers and stuck to the wall. These were bought from soak.com. Just a new look to their room. Shall link the details of this in my description box. Do check it out if you need them. Towards accessories, here I don't spend much time. The only thing I love to wear is rings. I have quite a few with me, some gifted and some bought. Most of these are bought from Qatar. There is a shop, Ronak. We used to get rings at very cheap rates. Now it's not. A few bracelets. Now this again I got from Qatar, from MRA Park, from one of the stalls there. They customize it for you with your favorite letters and symbols. This organizer I bought from IKEA again, just to keep everything neat. My very few watch collection. Handbags are always a craze for me to see wherever I go for shopping. I have quite a few bags, but I'll be showing which I carry very oftenly. This bag was again seen in my Ramadan vlog 3 video, and since then many of you requested me to show it again. It's not of any brands. It can be one strap or double strapped. It comes with a purse, a small one. Now this is my Likuba bag that I usually carry all the time, especially shopping time. Rough use. Another purse which I could put in my phone too. Wipes for kids, always a necessity in my bag. Now this is another one. I love to carry this out, but it doesn't fit much inside. It's a small size, just a purse and a phone, the bag is full. It's just one long strap, can't adjust the length. Another one I bought recently, Just loved the shape of it. Not any brands though. Has adjustable straps. I used to buy perfumes from Lulu earlier, some brands like Sapple or Rasasi. But once my brother had gifted a perfume from Ajmal, and ever since I use that, I buy perfumes only from Ajmal. It lasts double the time of perfumes used from Lulu. This is the one I had bought last, Viola, and I love the smell. So that's for today's video, friends. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Click the bell icon for notifications on my updates. See you with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.